This video is brought to you by Visionary Services.
3-light vanity fixture, 3-light vanity fixture. This is gonna be a brushed nickel finish. This thing is really gonna give your bathroom that pop. It's really gonna brighten you up and make you feel nice and pleasant when you're handling your business in that bathroom. It is by Hampton Bay. 24-inch width by 7.5-inch height with a 7.3 diameter. Okay, man, so we got our mounting bracket right there. See, it has your grounding screw on there. Got a grounding wire, white and black wire on here. This is obviously gonna be where my light bulbs are gonna go. I like that silver on there, guys. That's really gonna brighten this thing up. My light bulb covers right here. I got some anchors, the wire nuts, and the fruit screws. Let's get it done. This is an older building. We want to make sure all the power to this unit is off. All right, guys, so the first thing we do is get our light detached from our mount. You got 2 screws that's attaching this mount to the electrical box. You got your Phillips head screw right here. And you got a screw down there. Look like they used a flat head, so we're gonna get that unloosened. Then we're gonna get our grounding screw off right there. And we also have white and black wires that we need to get disconnected. Let's get it done. Okay. Grounding screw coming off. And we're gonna go ahead and detach this mount. I'm gonna go with my flat head first. Flat head off. Okay. All right, let's get our wires off. Okay. Cool. I want to strip some of that off. Same thing here. Okay, that look damn good to me. Okay, so we get our mounting bracket. And we just want to line it up with our screws in our electrical box, and we use this little torpedo level to make sure this thing is on here correctly. So what I'll do now is just get my screws in there. It looks pretty good. Let's get it back up there, guys. This is what I'll do here is just get it at least on my screws. And I can actually level way better right now, guys. Okay, that's showing me in the middle. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it as tight to the wall as I can. With my electrical screw. That's gonna hold it in place. And as you can see, it's level. So what we'll do now, I'm gonna go straight in. There's one screw in there. All right, so I hit a stud. Okay, that's level. So when I put that on that light on there, it ain't going no damn well. You guys got to make a decision. Do you want to go up with your light, or do you want to go down with your light? This is a pretty small bathroom. I think I want to try down. So let's get this thing wired up. I'm gonna wrap that pop a wire nut on there. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with my white. Slap me a wire nut on there as well. I take my grounding wire and wrap it around my grounding screw. Around there. Okay. Now I can let that free hand, and I take my flathead screwdriver and tighten that grounding screw up. Okay. That'll work for me. We want to we can slap those nuts back in there. And all that excess wire go back in as well. I'm gonna be painting that wall, so I'm not concerned about it hanging on there. Okay. Pressed up on there real nice and snug. We take our pearls. Let's get it at least on there a little bit so I can get this. Make sure your thread is pretty aligned well. Sometimes you gotta kind of play with it. It's tight to the wall. Our next thing will be to get our bulb covers on. You have these attachments. You got 3 attachments. Let's go get these bulbs, guys. We're gonna check this thing one more time for level. Okay, yeah. Dead in the center. So you take your time. Put your bulb covers on. Common sense. Got your thread. Just tighten your attachments. Just so. Be careful because this is glass. Nice. You don't have to go crazy on the tightness. Just make sure it's nice and smooth. Okay. All right, that looks good to me. Hopefully it looks good to you guys. Okay. I got 3 bulbs. I'm sure you guys know how to put these in, right? We've been doing this all our life. They don't go out as much as they used to back in the day, huh? Back in the day, you used to have to change them, man, all the time. I used to hate that. Well, I actually used to love it when I was a kid, just to be doing something. Okay, bulbs in. Let's go check power. Here we go, guys. Ta-da. Oh yeah, that's the money right there, baby. Yeah, baby. Yes, sir. That's the money. Yeah, we like that. We like that one. For sure that.